Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make easy, slow cooker taco soup. So what you will need to make this is 2 cans of whole kernel corn. These have 15.25 ounces in them. The next thing you will need is, I use a large can of the black beans. You can use 2 small cans. I believe this is 25 or 26.5 ounces. The next thing you will need is 2 cans of Hunt's diced tomatoes. These are 14.5 ounces. You also need 2 packets of taco seasoning. This Old El Paso brand does have the box tops on them if you have kids in school. What is not shown is a pound of ground chuck is what I use, and I use tortilla scoops to dip it with when we're done. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is ignore my old crock pot. And we're going to see how we just basically, all you do, you dump it in. Is that the proper term for cooking? You just dump it in. So I start out with the black beans. I do not drain these. That's just, it doesn't bother us. I know some people do drain them, but we don't. I dump everything in. So like I said, I start with the black beans. Then I add the cans of tomatoes. I mean, y'all get the picture. Basically, we're just putting it all in a crock pot. There's the other can of tomatoes. I find this so easy, and it is so wonderful on a cold night. And I mean, my family just loves this. I can make this, and it's like everybody will eat it. So easy peasy. The next thing we will add is our taco seasoning. So basically you just shake 2 packets in. I mean, like everything's just dumped in one pot and you stir. Okay, and we also add 1/2 a cup of water. Making sure that all the taco seasoning is blended in and not clumped up. And there you have it. Before the ground chuck is added, I drain and rinse my ground chuck, and then I dump it in. I love that word. Is that a great word to cook with? I don't know, but it's my word. And then you just stir. Like I said, this is foolproof. It is so easy and is so, I mean, I just love this. I grew up eating this. I just love it. And I think it's so colorful and pretty as well. The next thing you do is cover your crock pot top, and then you set it to low. Like I said, my crock pot is extremely old. You set it to low and cook it about 5 to 6 hours. I start at about 11 o'clock and then when we have it for dinner. So the next thing is, I like to add sour cream, and I love this 4-cheese Mexican cheese, the traditional cut, and I add that on top once it's finished. And here is the finished bowl. So good. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like this video, please subscribe. And until next time, bye everyone.